Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by prioritizing clarity in every interface decision you make. Use a 16px base type and 1/4 line height for body text to increase legibility. Maintain a minimum 4:1 contrast ratio and 8 pt spacing between components for consistent rhythm. Apply a limited color palette of 3 primary colors and 2 neutrals to reduce cognitive load. Establish a clear visual hierarchy with size, weight, and color differences to guide user attention toward primary actions. Structure layouts with a 12-column grid and consistent 8 pt spacing to ensure alignment. Define responsive breakpoints and adapt column counts for different viewports and content needs. Set touch targets to 44px to improve tap accuracy on mobile devices. Use progressive disclosure for complex features to avoid overwhelming users with too many choices. Provide clear affordances and consistent microcopy for buttons, links, and inputs to reduce friction during task completion. Validate your designs with usability tests involving at least 5 users per major flow to catch common errors. Observe tasks, record completion rates, and measure time on task to quantify usability. Iterate quickly based on findings and prioritize fixes that yield the largest improvements. Prepare handoff assets in 1x and 2x resolutions and include CSS or design tokens for colors, spacing, and typography. Align with developers using annotated specs, component names, and a shared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.